Do you think your English is strong? Try this English grammar test. Each question takes 5 seconds. If you pass this test, your English is amazing. Let's get started. Good luck. Question number 1. She is better dash math than me. A in, B at, C on. B at is the right answer because we say good or better at something. Question number 2. The news dash very surprising. A is, B are, C were. A is the right answer. Why this is correct? Because news is treated as a singular noun. Question number 3. She dashed the story later. A tell, B tells, C will tell. Can you answer this question? Write your answer in the comment. Question number 4. This is the reason dash I left. A why, B that, C both are correct. See, both are correct because we can say the reason why I left, the reason that I left. Question number 5. They were tired, dash, they kept working. A yet, B so, C and. A yet is the right answer. Yet shows contrast. They were tired, but they still kept working. Question number 6. Choose the correct spelling. A gentle, B gentle, C gentle. B gentle is the right answer. Question number 7. He dashed fast yesterday. A ran, B run, C runs. A ran is the right answer because yesterday shows past tense. Question number 8. We arrived late dash the traffic. A due, B because, C because of. C because of is the right answer. Because of followed by the noun, which is the traffic. Question number 9. He is angry dash his brother. A with, B about, C at. C at is the right answer. Question number 10. They went shopping dash the mall. A at, B on, C in. C in is the right answer. Question number 11. I have no trust dash you. A in, B on, C at. A in is the right answer. Question number 12. I don't feel like dash out tonight. A going, B go, C went. A going is the right answer. Question number 13. It's high time you dash more responsibility. A take, B took, C taken. B took is the right answer. Question number 14. I cannot find my keys. I dash them at home. A left, B leave, C leaving. Write your answer in the comment. Question number 15. I usually wake up dash 7 a.m. A on, B in, C at. C at is the right answer. Question number 16. I need to buy some bread dash the shop. A at, B to, C from. C from is the right answer. Question number 17. They dash lunch at school yesterday. A have, B has, C had. C had is the right answer. Question number 18. We are going to the park. Dash it stops raining. A if, B until, C because. A if is the right answer. Question number 19. The crowd gave a dash. Welcome to the famous singer. A warm, B dull, C harsh. A warm is the right answer. Question number 20. The weather is colder dash yesterday. A as, B then, C then. B then is the right answer. Question number 21. She is not only talented dash hardworking. A but also, B and, C as well. A but also is the right answer. Question number 22. He is interested in dash Japanese. A to learn, B learn, C learning. C learning is the right answer. Question number 23. The more he tries, the better dash becomes. A himself, B him, C he. C he is the right answer. Question number 24. He is likely dash late for the meeting. A B, B being, C to be. C to be is the right answer. Question number 25. They are capable of dash the project without supervision. A completing, B complete, C completed. A completing is the right answer. Question number 26. No one in the team knew what to do dash him. A except, B besides, C except for. A except is the right answer. Question number 27. The actor was dash and his performance was dash. A nervous, strong, B talented, convincing, C shy, loud. B talented, convincing is the right answer. Question number 28. She applied dash Oxford University. A to, B at, C in. It's your turn to write your answer in the comments. Question number 29. The patient is suffering dash fever. A at, B in, C from. C from is the right answer. Question number 30. The word generous means dash. A angry, B selfish, C kind. C kind is the right answer. Question number 31. The word prosper means to dash. A fail, B quit, C succeed. C. Succeed is the right answer. Question number 32. The pen is mightier than the dash. A. Sword. B. Book. C. Voice. A. Sword is the right answer. Question number 33. The manager gave a dash speech to motivate the team. A. Inspiring. B. Boring. C. Confusing. A. Inspiring is the right answer. Question number 34. The forest looked dash after the rain. A. Barren. B. Lush. C. Dusty. B. Lush is the right answer. Question number 35. The lake was so dash that you could see the fish. A. Clear. B. Dirty. C. Polluted. A. Clear is the right answer. Question number 36. The meeting was called dash due to rain. A. Out. B. Up. C. Off. C. Off is the right answer. Question number 37. She burst dash tears. A. To. B. In. C. Into. C. Into is the right answer. Question number 38. He is good dash mathematics. A. In. B. On. C. At. C. At is the right answer. Question number 39. She was tired dash waiting. A. Of. B. With. C. From. A. Of is the right answer. Question number 40. I prefer coffee dash tea. A. To. B. Then. C. From. A. To is the right answer. Question number 41. He succeeded dash solving the puzzle. A. With. B. At. C. Has. B. At is the right answer. Question number 42. She complained dash the noise. A. About. B. To. C. For. A. About is the right answer. Question number 43. He depends dash his parents. A. At. B. To. C. On. C. On is the right answer. Can you explain why this answer was correct? Question number 44. The baby is capable dash walking. A. To. B. With. C. Off. C. Off is the right answer. Question number 45. She prevented him dash leaving. A. With. B. To. C. From. C. From is the right answer. Question number 46. He apologized dash his mistake. A. For. B. To. C. At. A. For is the right answer. Question number 47. I am used dash waking up early. A. To. B. With. C. At. A. To is the right answer. Question number 48. She is famous dash her voice. A. At. B. For. C. With. B for is the right answer. Question number 49. He is responsible dash the project. A for, B of, C with. A for is the right answer. Question number 50. The plane took dash on time. A off, B out, C up. A off is the right answer. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can subscribe our channel for more English learning videos. Thank you so much.